Stand in a neutral position, widen your stance and unlock both your knees. Place your hands on top of your hips with your thumbs at the back pointing to the floor. Start tilting your pelvis backwards and forwards in a slow, smooth, continuous rhythm. With lightly gripped fingers and thumbs, help guide the pelvic movement more smoothly. As your pelvis tilts, drop through your knees. As your pelvis pushes backwards the other way, straighten up your knees. Begin curling your spine forwards and backwards from C shape to S shape along to the rhythm. Start nodding your head forwards and backwards in line with the alternating spinal motion. Notice a light stretch interchanging between your front and back. Let your knees naturally bob up and down to the motion and pump here for a few rounds, staying within a tension-free zone. Now reach your arms up horizontally and straight out to the sides. Start sweeping your hands towards each other and back again like a long-armed clapping motion, pivoting at your shoulders. When the arms sweep forwards, the C-shaped spine and head nodding is in motion. When your arms sweep backwards, the S-shaped spine and head straightening is in motion. Allow your shoulder blades to glide smoothly back and forth across the back of your rib cage. Pump and bounce softly within the natural range of your reach and stretch. Let the power and momentum come from your pelvis, knees, arms and back. Make sure you're pivoting at your mid-back. This is a soft pumping dance, not a stretch. Find a rhythm and pace that suits you. Test your reach as you go, yet remain feeling free within a tension-free zone. Go as lively as you feel is comfortable. Keep the motion smaller if necessary. Stay relaxed and loose, and consistently breathe lightly and through the nose.